In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the custom module links inside the mobile apps on Gohighlevel. The white label customizer allows you as the high-level agency owner now to control which custom menu links the user will see inside the mobile apps. Custom module links allows you to add external or internal links directly into the app's navigation menu. This can be controlled role-based as well as account-based. So these links are no longer static. So for example, if you have some internal dashboards that only admins should be seeing, you can now control this. Or if you have training resources and you want them to be visible to all, you can control this too. So by role-based visibility, I mean you can differentiate between admin and users. And by account targeting, I mean you can turn on or off specific links or modules for specific accounts only. So your client A can see different links than your client B, for example. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first you want to make sure you're logged into your agency account. Then click on mobile app on the left. Then click on customize app to make the changes. First we want to work on your branding. Here you can add a title and a subtitle and the call to action text. You can also change the logo right here. Next up, here we are in the core navigation. Here you can set the custom links. You can add external or internal links. Then right here, if you wanted to add a module, you can just click on the Add New button. Then this window will pop up where you can add custom modules or even predefined modules if you wish to. Let's say we want to add our own modules, which we then can customize right here. We can then add a module URL. We can select an icon. In this case, a gift would be suitable for a promotion, yes. And then we can, when clicked, decide, should we open this inside the app or open in mobile browser. Right here, what is going to happen when a customer clicks the link? Either we're going to open it inside the app or open it in the mobile browser. From here, we can select the sub-accounts who is supposed to see this custom menu link. And then right here, we can use the role-based visibility between user and admin. Once you're done configuring, hit save. If you don't select any sub-accounts, then the link may not appear in any of them. Currently, visibility is limited to all users or admins only. And of course, you can edit the visibility settings after you created a link. Just go back to the settings and change the role. Users will not be notified once you add a new link. There is no notification going out. Users will just see the link appear in the menu and that's it. Existing links may need to be reviewed and updated to take advantage of the new visibility controls. And that's it already. And if you are a Gohighlevel agency owner, you may want to check out our free bonuses linked in the description below, which are free white label videos, support snapshots, and much more that comes with you being our affiliate. Check it out in the description below, and I will see you over there.